the avocado? You want to drink? Drink some? Drink out of your sippy. See, look how I can drink. Look. Good job drinking, Silas. That water is so good, I know. Yeah. Say hi. Hey, Nana. Hey, Papa. Hey, Grandma. Hey, Grandpa. Whoever's watching me, you guys are probably the only ones that are interested. So that's good. Yeah. Yeah. Some more oats? Nope. Okay. All done? All done with your supper? Yeah. I got a cough. Yeah. Good job. You're going to drink all, not all, but lots of that water. Someone was thirsty. You going to give us the cup? Huh? Yes. Raise that sippy cup. Uh-huh. Yes. Uh-huh. Hey. Can you say hey? Hey, everybody. Let's see how you can eat a Cheerio so good now. Look. Silas. Look. Good job eating your Cheerio. Yeah. Get another one. Chewing it. What'd you see up there? Get you another Cheerio. Cheerio? Are you full? Good. Good job. Yay! Good job, Silas. Yeah. That's right. Good job. Every time someone says good job, Silas claps. That's right. That's right. That's right. Good job. There you go. There. You want to come see? Oh, what is that? Feels funny in the hands. There you go. That one have avocado on it? Huh? You saying you're about ready to get up? I know, I see you. I know. Ready to get out? What you doing? Are you just showing me your hand?